The Swiss have a proverb. It's like skiing, you never forget. To find out if that was true, my wife Lori and I traveled to Breckenridge in Colorado. For me it has been 42 years since last I skied, but I had done some skiing in my youth and I trust the Swiss. With tens of groomed trails available at Breckenridge, I decided to challenge myself with a black diamond trail called American. Ski resorts mark their ski trails by colored diamond symbols, and the black diamond means most difficult. So let's see how it goes. This here is me on the same trail, just from a different camera angle. In my right hand I am holding a ski pole, but the pole in my left hand is a selfie stick with a GoPro action camera attached at the end. For this video I had to be both the camera crew and the talent. I was trying not to fall, keep the camera steady with a stretched out arm and look chill, all while trying to keep good form. Here the piste gets noticeably steeper and I struggle to keep my skis together, as good form would require. In my past, I always skied with ski poles, just as I had been taught in my early days. While modern carving skis make ski poles less necessary, it was yet another challenge not to have a ski pole in my left hand. After a while, the terrain becomes less steep and the designation of the trail turns from black diamond to a blue diamond. Here I feel comfortable increasing my speed. I should explain that the two different camera angles seen in this video here were recorded by me in two consecutive runs down the exact same trail. In one run, the action camera was mounted on my helmet, and in the other run, I used the selfie stick with the camera attached to it. While recording video, the camera measures and records the GPS data, including the camera's elevation. I made the elevation data of each camera stream visible near the upper right corner of the screen. This allowed me to cut from one camera angle to the other with great precision. For example, if the helmet cam video was cut out at the elevation of 10,000 feet, then the footage from the selfie stick camera was cut in at 10,000 feet. As I am getting closer to the base of the Beaver Run super chairlift, the adjacent buildings of the Beaver Run resort appear in view. This is my cue to conclude this video. Thank you for watching.